You're watching Filter Kaapi. My name is S Sudhir. This saga of the scheduling of the different big ticket entrance examinations in the country continues almost like a web series. In the latest episode, the Consortium of the National Law Universities has decided to postpone the Clat, which is the Common Law Admission Test, by 3 weeks from 7 September to the 28th of September. That's a big headline coming this evening. The Executive Committee met today and decided this on the basis of two factors. The lockdown announced in Bengal on the 7th of September and continued lockdown in Bihar till the 6th of September. Both the dates very significant. We are very explicit about the reasons why we have postponed it. I am quoting one of the Executive Committee members who told me about what happened during that meeting. I also learned that there were some members in that Executive Committee who were not entirely in favor of postponing the examination, saying that the situation is not going to improve dramatically in 3 weeks. But unlike the last meeting, right, this time the mood was that the situation in many states is not good. Both from the COVID-19 pandemic point of view and also from the flood situation point of view, and therefore it would be advisable and in the best interest of students and examination staff to push the date by 3 weeks. I also asked the Executive Committee member if the National Testing Agency, the NTA, that conducts both the NEET and the JEE should take a cue from what the consortium has decided, and the reply was that NTA is a different body. It is for the NTA to take a decision. But the feeling within the consortium is that in case the JEE and the NEET dates are not changed, it's held on schedule in September, the consortium will be able to improve in terms of safety protocol for its 70,000 students and examination staff in terms of health safety. Now let's look at the big picture, because what the consortium has essentially done is to show the mirror to both the NTA and the Education Ministry. And I'll tell you why this shift is very significant. Because when the date of 7 September was decided upon for Clat, the argument given in favor of 7 September then was that if JEE can be held between the 1st and 6th of September, why not Clat on 7th of September, right? Now what the consortium has done is to delink Clat from the JEE, pointing to the student unfriendly circumstances existing on the ground in Bihar till the 6th of September. The question to be asked is, will the Education Ministry and the NTA take a cue from what the consortium has decided? Now, why I am saying this is, either the consortium is right or the NTA and the Education Ministry are right. The consortium feels students will be put to inconvenience. The Education Ministry clearly does not think so. I am placing all these facts on the table. You can draw your own conclusions. The other big difference is that unlike the Education Minister of India, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, who has interpreted the downloading of admit cards of NEET and JEE as an expression of interest on part of the students to take the exams, the consortium has understood the practical problems that students in these two states in particular will face in travelling to the exam center on the 7th of September. The consortium has not said that 70,000 students have downloaded the admit card, so therefore whatever be the circumstances on the ground, they are very eager and keen to take the examination on the 7th of September. What it shows is that the consortium has thought it through, it has its heart in the right place and is thinking from the point of view of those 70,000 odd students and its examination staff. Now, Dr. Pokhriyal said that it has already postponed, the Education Ministry and the NTA has already postponed the exams twice, which is correct. But if you apply the same yardstick, the Clat has been postponed not twice but 5 times. From 10th of May when it was originally scheduled, first to 24th of May, then to 21st of June, then to 22nd of August, then to 7th of September and today to the 28th of September. The question is whether the NTA will also do this at this last minute. We don't know. We cannot judge that because there are just about 3 more days to go for the JEE. Of course, you also have the Supreme Court, which is now going to listen to the review petition which has been filed by 6 ministers from 6 opposition ruled states in the country in their individual capacity. That at this point in time pretty much remains the only hope for students who are demanding postponement of the NEET and the JEE. What the Clat decision, and this is what I'm saying from the point of view of students, and that's not a very nice thing to hear, is that what the Clat decision has shown and what the NEET and the JEE decisions have shown is that different agencies in the country which are conducting these examinations are treating the issue of exams very differently. Some states are eager to hold the examinations, some states are not eager to hold the examinations, and that is not very good for the students of this country, irrespective of which stream they wish to pursue, engineering, medical or law or any other stream. Thank you very much for watching.